record, woman.
Go.
Okay, so we're at the newest car wash in Hillsboro. Oh, that's cool. And I'm not touching anything, and it's actually pulling us forward through this. It's in neutral, see? This is the weirdest thing. Hello there.
So bubbly, it makes me happy.
Come with me and you'll see.
All the shit in my car.
Exactly.
Woo!
Well, hello there.
Uh-oh, it looks wet and wild.
Don't ever say that again. Hey, we also got a free air freshener out of it, too.
This is normal if you're in the city, but we're out in the middle of nowhere. I've never been to one of these. Woo-hoo-hoo.
We basically got almost a supreme wash.
Almost.
This is cool as hell.
Watch a Rain-X do its thing.
Right?
Yeah, it's not in there right now. Doing adult things.
You know, yet.
Hold on. Don't keep. Let go. Okay.
I guess now I can do the commentary.
Yeah. I don't see anything. Okay.
Huh. Well, that was neat.
Yeah.
We got a free vacuum, too.
Yeah. Just right here. Please.
All right.
Yay. Clean my car out. Get this shit out of here. I'm gonna make you do it since you keep leaving windy stuff there, huh?
All right. Well, that was cool as shit. Well, I'm gonna get out and vacuum the car.